So you recently create your Booking.com account, right? And you want to basically change your currency. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do so. So once you sign in, guys, and you're in your profile, look towards the upper part of your screen and you will find the currency. As you can see, it says select your currency. You can click on the current currency. I'm going to click on that and I can change this to whatever. So if I want to use euros, I can click on that and it's going to change my currency to euros. So everything that I see on booking.com, it's going to show me in euros. So let's say I would like to go to Brno, right? I'm going to see which hotels are in Brno. I'm going to say from the 21st till the 24th as an example. And I'm going to leave it. I'm going to just say there's only one room and just one adult, right? Click done, click and search. And here you can see it shows me some results. And here you can see it's currently showing in euros. But previously, if I want to change the currency, so I can see in a different currency, you see that you can quickly switch this here at the top. So if I want it in USD, I can switch to US, and you're gonna see that it started to show me all of those results in US. Previously, it was showing me in the Czech, which is a local currency, and if I want to see it in that as well, that's how I do it. So that's it. That's how you change the currency on booking.com, guys.